welcome to Zaid Tech Minds. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. And before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button and share this video to your friends so that they also know how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. Let's begin. I'm going to be using Chrome, and in Chrome go search code.visualstudio.com and you have your official website, and in that click on download for Windows if you're using Windows. But if you're using Mac OS or Linux, you can click here. You have your options. You can download it for your operating system. And now, after downloading Visual Studio Code, you have to also download Python, right? So we can use two ways to download Python. There are two ways. So I'll be showing you the first way. So open python.org, like you have your Python's official website called python.org, and here if you want to download it. And for Windows, you have your latest version. Download Python for 3.12.2. Download it by clicking Python this latest version. And another way to download Python is in Microsoft Store. You can go here and search for Python. And I have installed the 3.11 version, so I don't have to install it, but you can install version 3.12 too. So it's a very small download, so it should install really quickly. And after installing Python, you can go ahead and open Visual Studio Code. And if you have already any files on Python, you can add them here. But if you don't have them, just write here code main.py. Py is nothing but Python. In this main, you can change it to any name that you want your Python file name should be, and it's your wish. So main.py is mostly famous, and that's how we mostly do it. So just click enter, then you will be able to see your file here. Another way to create a file is by clicking new file, then enter your file name ending with the correct format .py. Okay. Now in that file, we have to run the code, right? We have another thing to do. Downloading an extension. So that extension name is Python, that has installed about 150 million people has installed it. So use the real one from Microsoft.com, and I have already installed it. It's just a extension, so it should install really quickly. And go back to your files, then close this extension. And go to your files, and now to just check if your code is working, you can use a very basic function called print, which whatever you write inside the print function, it will output it. So like print inside this brackets and double quotation mark or single quotation mark, and then whatever you have to print. Let's say print hello world, and yeah. So now save this, okay, by pressing Ctrl S. You have saved it, and then now try running the code, and it should print hello world. If it is not printing, you must have an error on this code. You must miss something. Then it will show up the error. For example, if you miss this R and then do like this, print, and then it will say print is wrong, so print is not defined. So that's, and it will also say did you mean print, so it basically throws up an error like that. So make sure to do the correct one, and if you miss the quotations also it shows up an error, you see that, so it won't print it but it will just show up an error like what is print hello world. This hello world is not defined and it's a syntax error. Okay, and that's it for the video, and if there's any problems you see, please tell it on the comments, and also say what is the next thing that I can do for this with Python. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video to everybody so that they also know how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. And I'll meet you in another video, and bye.